guys' corner and we're gonna be making a project. So are you guys excited? Now let's start.
Okay, so tell us what you have here already.
So this what we have on the project. We have the post office, the hospital, the police station, the fire station, the park, and the school. Which the school, we're gonna move it, and we're gonna move the stuff that doesn't need to be right there. So I made some mistakes, guys.
So what is that you have?
The foam stuff is called dry foam.
What do you do with that?
We're gonna actually, guys.
You don't know what you're gonna do with it? Well, let's see.
It's made out of glass.
It's not made out of glass, boy.
I got that wrong on purpose. It is.
And caution, flammable. Do not expose to open flame. Okay, so some of them you can have them turned up like this. So like your hospital. I think your hospital should be a really big building like this.
Yeah, oh yeah. They can.
Okay, now what are you gonna do with the rest?
My school could be this.
Okay.
No.
Whatever you want it to be. You have 6 areas and 6 blocks. Well, the park probably don't need one of the blocks, so you can probably put something together if you want.
Post office.
Okay. Next.
The police station would be. What is this?
That's the hospital. You don't have to go on top of it. We're gonna move the sticky notes off of that. That's just placeholders for right now. Okay, so your police station gonna be there. Okay. What is this?
I.
Oh yeah, fire station. Okay.
It's in my school.
Okay. So what if? Are you okay with what you think? For the neighborhood?
Yeah.
Where the people live? All right. Now, what if you put some cotton balls under here so it'd be like the hills? Try it.
All of these?
Some of them, like 3. And then we're gonna glue down the edges. Here, take the glue and do like a line around the outside perimeter. And we don't need a big old glue nose.
Alright, guys.
Do it off the thing. Yeah, do it on top of here.
Dude, I always do like stuff so big. The community workers. My social studies fair project is about community workers. Community workers help us live a great life. Without them, we wouldn't No, scoot it over. Be able to function. Community workers serve the city. Hello guys. So today we're doing a project like yesterday we started. And now we're writing the fire station. And then we're gonna put it on the sides.
Okay, 3 of them are gonna be sizes you don't have to do much with. Unless you want to color them a solid color. Okay, now pick the one you're gonna make that's gonna be your front. Any one of the 4. Okay.
My project talks about teachers, nurses, firemen, mailmen, and police officers. The nurse has the nastiest job because he or she has to work with blood. Mailmen has the easiest job because they just drop off mail. Firemen have the hardest job because they go through fire, spray water, and get people before they die. Teachers teach the leaders of tomorrow. Police have a hard job because they arrest people and have to keep people safe. Do you see this, guys? This is actually my fire station. So guys, the last part y'all saw was me making the buildings, and now I'm done making the building. So now
You gotta show them the buildings. They didn't even see which ones you made.
I made these the last time. So this is the post office. This is the police station. And this is a fire station. This is the school. Y'all probably can't see it. This is the school.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the hospital.
So now what else is left to do?
We have to build the street, color our people, and we have to write. Well, we're not gonna write the paragraphs on camera,
Right. All right.
which I don't wanna do today.
Well, you're gonna do it today.
No.
Yes. Yes. Hello.
Yeah, guys. So today we're going our people on, and we're gonna write our paragraph. So let's get started. So guys, I did these three. You might have seen this one, but not fully seen it. And you see,
And who is that?
this is the mailman. Long story, this is me.
Let's see. Put it to your neck.
This
Do you
is
think them clothes could fit you?
no.
Now, gonna do this one. I like more of them, guys. But sucks. This might be way too much glue.
So guys, today we're gluing our people and writing our paragraph, which y'all won't see. And you see our fireman. We colored the fireman and people brown.
Why shouldn't the kids do the glue stick themselves?
Because we might get what do you call it? Burnt. So you see,
All right. Now we're gonna add the cars where they need to go.
this car will be like this. And then where's the fire station? I gotta fix this. Something won't be sticking out. Fire department. Let's park this. Let's
No, I don't know what sound they make.
You see these eyes? You wanna see it?
Kobe.
Bust out the robot.
Where do you want the rest of the car? That's your version of the robot?
Yes.
Okay.
Guys, I'm done with this poster. We was gonna do the trifold poster, but we don't have to do it since my teacher said it. This is a grade, real judges. Yeah, real judges. You heard that? They're grading it. So this is me, and these are my houses. No, you know what? This one's my house, and these are my two rental properties.
Oh, let's move on. Thank you, brother. Okay.
This is my post office. This is my mailman. This is my policeman. This is my police office. This is my fire station, and this is my fire truck, and this is my fireman. And this is the teacher, the school, the teacher's car, the Tesla, no, the Dodge. Oh, this is the ambulance
Going to the what?
to the hospital.
And who's
there's
that
the-
person?
And there's the nurse.
Okay. What are you going to say as your final thoughts?
My final thoughts is this looks beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.